Good morning. I'm Montgomery County Commissioner Judy Dodge, and we're going to have Commissioner Debbie Lieberman speaking after me, as well as Marvine Mitchell-Cook, and then Michael Colbert, who is our county administrator, will end the conversation. Today, I'm here with, as I said, Commissioner Debbie Lieberman, Director of Workforce Marvine Mitchell-Cook, and County Administrator Michael Colbert, to discuss how Montgomery County is responding to the needs of our community during this unprecedented pandemic. I would also like to acknowledge that Commissioner Carolyn Rice, who is only absent because she experienced symptoms consistent with the common cold, and she has quarantined herself out of an abundance of caution. Now, Commissioner Rice is still very much engaged in the work we are all doing to keep our community safe and ensure our services are accessible to our citizens wherever possible. Today, we will be providing helpful guidance to citizens who may be experiencing job or income loss during this crisis, as well as discussing several programs and resources offered by Montgomery County and the state of Ohio. You know, I have served my community for many years, but I must say that this is uncharted territory for all of us. We are all committed to ensuring people can get the resources and services they need to protect their health and their livelihood. And now I'm going to turn it over to Commissioner Debbie Lieberman.
Thank you, Commissioner. Good morning. Each day is a new experience unlike any that we've ever had before. And while the situation is changing every minute of the day, Montgomery County has a robust emergency operations plan. And our team has done a great job dealing with this rapidly developing situation. We are also blessed to have so many dedicated and committed public servants, not just in the county, but throughout every local jurisdiction. And they are doing their utmost to keep all of our core services operational. And I want to remind members of the public that most of our offices are now closed to in-person transactions. And all of our other public-facing offices may be closed on directives from the state, for example, the BMV. This does not mean that our operations will cease entirely, but the preferred method to seek services from Montgomery County is via our phone numbers, our online applications, or email. And they're all being answered. We have people here, we have people working remotely, so the operations of the county are going on. I just want to reiterate that. And we will continue to serve our citizens in every way possible, while we still adhere to the public health guidelines to prevent the spread of COVID-19 or coronavirus. And I just want to add that, you know, as we're doing we're staying away from each other as much as we can, let's remember our neighbors. And it may be an opportunity for you to get to know your neighbor. And so I just suggest that we look out for people, we care about people, and we take care of ourselves and our family. And so now I'm going to turn this over to Marvine Mitchell-Cook. She's our Director of Workforce Development, and she's going to discuss the programs that are available to citizens dealing with lost income or even job loss as a result of this crisis. You know, we hear so many people saying, you know, we want to get unemployment, what do we do? There are other jobs, places that are hiring that we've all heard about, whether it's Kroger or Amazon. So I think for those that are well and don't need to be isolated, I think there are opportunities. So we're going to hear more from Marvine about that. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioners. This pandemic is having a massive impact on our county's workers and our business owners. So we want everyone to be aware of the availability of the unemployment and benefits that we are seeing more people laid off daily. Governor DeWine signed an executive order to allow the workers to access unemployment benefits. He made two major changes, which were to waive the standard one-week waiting period to receive benefits, and people receiving benefits are no longer required to seek work. Anyone who has lost work because of the coronavirus should apply via the email. We also have it online at unemployment.ohio.gov. The most efficient ways possible to reduce risk of social interaction is online and via the phone. The phone numbers are 1-877-644-6562. If you do not have internet access or phone access, we are still taking people at the job center, but by appointment only. We are not taking walk-ins at this time at our job bank. We can be reached via the phone at 937-225-JOBS, JOBS, or 225-5627. You can reach us via the email or on our website, the Job Center at mcohio.org. Also, our partners at Goodwill Easter Seals, Miami Valley, will be opening their computer room doors on March 23rd. Their hours are from 8:30 to 4:30, and their staff will be available to help with benefits and unemployment status. To have further information, contact Terry Shirk at 937-528-6324. As it relates to warn notices and/or rapid responses, businesses who are planning layoffs or shutdowns because of the coronavirus, the Department of Job and Family Services has set a mass layoff number to speed the process up for unemployment benefits. The number is 2,180 or 2000180 when reporting your layoffs. The goal is to ensure that employees and staffs will be out of work and have access to their quick benefits. Lieutenant Governor John Husted mentioned the Shared Work Program under the State of Ohio's Unemployment Office. Shared Work is a program that businesses can apply for if they have cut their employees' hours. It makes their employees eligible for prorated unemployment benefits. For instance, if an employer has had to cut their staff hours by 25%, those employees could be eligible to receive 25% of full employment benefits. Again, this is a state-sponsored program, and a business who is interested will need to apply at unemployment.ohio.gov. Lieutenant Governor Husted's office also has applied for small business crisis loans from the federal government. For further details, contact his office at 614-466-3555. As it relates to the Montgomery County Workforce Development Departments, many people we've seen came through our doors. We had over 200 applicants apply for unemployment in our job bank. In saying that, they still wanted to work as well. So anyone in need of work can contact us by phone, again, 225-JOBS, JOBS, or 937-225-5627. Contact us on our website, again, the Job Center at mcohio.org. Youth Career Services. We are still accepting applications for summer work student programs ages 14 to 18. We've moved to doing initial meetings with parents via the phone. At this time, to ensure all paperwork is safe and mannered and doing the safe, proper distances, we will not be accepting any applications via the lobby. As it relates to our adult services training, starting today, March 19, we are canceling adult training orientations until further notice. If you are already participating in our training programs, please contact our workforce specialist for an update. Our Business Solutions Center, which is located on 1435 Cincinnati Street, will be temporarily suspending events and meetings from March 17th through May 17th, 2020. Emails will be going out to organizations and employers for rescheduling purposes at a later date. Male Leadership Academy, to the mentors, mentees, and adults, and their parents. We've canceled both the March and April events at this time. Based on parent approval, though, we will keep engaged with our mentees in the community by conference calls, visual arts, and YouTube live groups chats. Finally, we are in unprecedented times, and our first concern is for the health and safety of our community. But we know that the economic issues are going to be difficult for the workers and businesses in our county. We will be here to help people find jobs, and will connect businesses with resources to make sure they come out of this pandemic stronger and better than ever. Thank you.
Okay, good morning. My name is Michael Colbert. I am the Montgomery County Administrator. And I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the Job and Family Services benefits that dovetail with unemployment benefits, so that those families that are struggling right now to find work, these are other options that they have that can be very helpful in our Job and Family Services realm. We are recommending that citizens seeking public assistance use the phone's online or online applications for help. I cannot stress how much it means to either use the phones, use the online. You can use your smartphone. We have tested all of our apps so they work with smartphones, whether it be unemployment or supplemental nutrition assistance, or called SNAP, which is food assistance, or whether it is Medicaid. Please use the online app. Our lobbies, our green lobby and child support, our blue lobby, and as Marvine mentioned, our red lobby at the job center, all of these lobbies will be going to appointments only. If an individual needs a bus pass or has an appointment or needs to use our scanning kiosks, those services will still be open. But again, please try to use your smartphones. We've made every effort to discourage people from coming in person to the job center to ensure the social distancing recommended by public health. We are offering many alternatives for people to get assistance, again, through website, through drop boxes, through phone, and our resources are all published on our website at mcohio.org or on our Facebook page if you're on social media. People are encouraged to apply for benefits at www.sspbenefitsohio.gov. Again, sspbenefitsohio.gov. Their customers can apply for food assistance, temporary assistance for families with children, this is TANF, Medicaid, and publicly funded child care. The website again is sspbenefitsohio.gov. You can set up an account, you can check your application status, you can report a change, and you can send and scan all your verifications through that website. To apply for Medicaid only, citizens can call the County Shared Services line, this is our own hotline, at 1-844-640-6446. With verifications handy, they can complete the entire process by phone. Customers can also turn in applications at the job center's new night drop box. So if you don't have phone application or you don't have a computer at home, please utilize the drop box. This will be 24/7 until further notice. Links to our available services and in several languages also are on the Family Assistance page at mcohio.org. Again, we have multiple languages, so if there's a language barrier, we can help you there. They can also fax applications to 937-496-6654. Again, fax is 937-496-6654. Our Family Assistance call center is available at 937-225-4148. Customers can also live chat a Family Assistance caseworker between 2 and 4 p.m. weekdays by clicking on the In Contact icon on the Family Assistance page at MC Ohio. If you want to do live chat, this is the best way to contact a caseworker. In our Children's Services Division, we have moved away from face-to-face visitation in favor of technology alternatives. We appreciate the importance of visitation, and we are encouraging primary parents and foster parents to work together and to use the virtual options such as FaceTime, Skype, or the phone calls. When It is safe to resume in-person visitation. We will make the public aware through news and social media. Our Children's Services intake line still remains open 24/7. That is 937-224-KIDS. Again, that is 937-224-KIDS. That is the number to call if you suspect abuse, neglect, or anything that is happening to a child. Caseworkers continue to be available to provide child protection services on behalf of Montgomery County's most vulnerable. I repeat that. Our caseworkers are still available to help our children in need and that are most vulnerable. People can conduct child support business through the child support portal available at jfsohio.gov. Again, that is jfsohio.gov. And additionally, they can get questions answered and conduct most business through email or online chat by clicking the In Contact icon in the Child Support tab at mcohio.org. They can also call 937-225-4600. Again, 937-225-4600 between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. weekdays. Child support payments may also be made by phone or online at ohiosmartchildsupport.com, ohiosmartchildsupport.com. Montgomery County Department of Jobs and Family Services and our Montgomery County Commissioners are continuing to work to refine more ways to conduct business during this pandemic. We are keeping our eye towards the public, but we also need to keep our workers safe. With that, are there any questions for either the Commissioners, myself, or Director Mitchell Cook?
Yeah, I have one question first. How taxed or overtaxed is the IT and some of those services and stuff like that? Because you're going to have a lot of people checking online, using the phones and stuff like that. Are your switchboard servers able to handle it?
Right now, all of our online applications are working as they should. Our IT team is working around the clock. We are fortunate that most of the services involving our IT infrastructure can be done remotely. So our IT team is available whenever we have issues. And thus far, both our call center, our 800 numbers, and our online chats and our online applications have been working as they should.
So I'm clear, there are no walk-ins at the job center anymore for people to work on computers there? Is that a change?
That is correct, and that is a change. We had to abide by both the thermometer scan that came out yesterday and the amount of people that needed unemployment benefits, and that forced us to change our operation, just the sheer volume of people that was coming in to use the computers.
Were people turned away yesterday?
Not yesterday. We are slowly phasing this in. We had a lot of people at the job center yesterday, so we were able to support all the people that came through.
And how many of those were, again?
What do we have, about 200? 200. Yes. Still make an appointment. The best way to do it is smartphone or online, but still you can still get an appointment if you need to get a computer, and you can also go to Goodwill.
This is also going to be a hyper-specific example, but my roommate was not eligible, would have been eligible for unemployment benefits due to the shortened length of her employment time. Are those kind of specific instances being waived? Is it better for her to call or get a, whatever, virtual face-to-face with an individual? Is that what's the best way? So if that makes sense.
Yes, the Lieutenant Governor spoke on that on yesterday, and they will be waiving that as well. Mm-hmm.
So if she said she wasn't eligible when she applied Friday previously, she's going to, that stuff is going to change, and that
yes.
Those new, okay.
So she needs to reapply and place a call to unemployment.
That's what we've been told. Yeah.
And then once again, if there are any issues or questions, to call directly, FaceTime appointments,
yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are there any statistics on the pre-outbreak unemployment rate?
No, that's unemployment rates and number of people unemployed is all handled by Ohio Department of Job and Family Services.
What do you see as the long-term effects of this?
This is definitely going to have an economic impact on our economy. As you saw yesterday, the automobile industry is now starting to roll back. We are a big supplier of automobile parts, such as Fuyao with glass and Green Tokai. However, we are fortunate. Our commissioners have taken a great leadership role here. Multiple years ago, 2 years ago, the commissioners started to invest heavily in workforce and economic development. That, different than other areas, our job center gives us a buffer. It gives us the ability to deal with mass unemployment. We dealt with it during the recession. We also have other areas that are hiring. Grocery stores are hiring. Our food bank is looking for support. Our homeless shelters are looking for support. This will not be a backfill to the existing jobs, but it does give us an opportunity to work in our community while we're drawing unemployment to support those other operations that help people in need.
Our commissioners have focused on workforce and economic development before. The Memorial Day tornadoes added a huge strain on our community. How does this even impact that even more?
This is another thing that has come at us. We are fortunate because through the leadership of our commissioners and our administration, our team, we are seasoned now, and we have made the necessary adjustments to deal with certain things. Now, unfortunately, everything is different, and this is incredibly different. We haven't seen anything even close to this since 9/11. However, our systems will continue to work. Our commissioners both spoke to you. Mission-critical systems such as water, sewer, our still water, centralization of trash, MRDD system, JFS systems. All of these systems are in place and will continue to work as they should.
Are there county workers right now have any, do you have any numbers on how many have perhaps self-quarantined themselves? We heard that Commissioner Rice has this morning. Do you have numbers of countywide?
We have county workers that are out that are unrelated to self-quarantine due to just being able to take care of their children right now. The commissioners granted additional 80 hours of leave so that individuals could take care of their children and so that people could be out with their loved ones either because they are quarantined or because their loved ones are quarantined through sick leave. So we don't have the total numbers right now. This is a daily change, but we have been very flexible with our employees in giving them the ability to take care of what they need to take care of at home.
Michael, could you please repeat the SPP benefits site? There was a missed period. Make sure people get the correct website address.
Absolutely. People are encouraged to apply for benefits at sspbenefits.ohio.gov. Again, ssp.benefits.ohio.gov. ssp.benefits.ohio.gov. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll be sharing all this on social.
And our website.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.